So with this product, you can buy either GCSE bundle or the A-level bundle or the complete bundle. So with the GCSE, you will get sections 1 to 8. For A-level, you'll go from 9 to 13. And if you buy the whole lot, then obviously you get 1 to 13. Each bundle will have a series of sections starting from the very basics of Python to the more advanced A-level concepts. If I take a particular section here, which is, let's say, functions, in each chapter you will get a series of handouts supported by presentations, and for each task within the booklet you'll get task solutions as well. So the booklets look a bit like this. You will get the chapter title at the top along with the objectives and the contents page. It's broken down into explanation of concepts with appropriate examples, and at the end of each section you'll get a series of tasks ranging from the very basic to the more advanced. Some sections will have extension activities in them for those that wish to learn more of the advanced things. Alongside that, we'll also get the handout section, which is a sort of breakdown from the booklet, so just picking out the key elements for purposes of handouts, and then a series of tasks. For every section, you also get a PowerPoint presentation, which basically presents the topic, goes through the key areas, and there are two presentations, a teacher copy and a student copy. So the student copy doesn't have the solutions in it, whereas the teacher copy does. So if you need to go over some of the key concepts, you also get a copy of all task solutions, which are coded as like so, all sectioned out, clearly labeled, with as much commented and annotated as possible. And you will also get examples code there as well. So if you're explaining some concepts and you want to just show an example of, say, and this, for example, is an existence check as part of validation, you can use this. So that is, oh yes, sorry, the diagrams and illustrations, they're just, some of the sections have diagrams like ER diagrams and relationship diagrams, and if you want to use those diagrams, they're there for editing if you want to. So that's what's included in this. I hope you found this useful, and any comments or suggestions for improvements, please let me know. Thank you.